and today we're going to show how to make a furnace in Minecraft, which really doesn't sound that hard, but if you're getting like right used to the game and just happen to scroll by this video, then, well, this is the video for you. So, let's get straight into it. You need a pickaxe. You can't mine stones with your hand. Like, it can be wood or anything. I have a stone one right now. So, yeah. Just kinda better than a wood one. What you wanna do is go into just a cave where there's stones. You wanna get out 8 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you want to do is put your crafting table down. Bleh. And then just go over 4. 1, 2, 3. I guess it's not. And you just go down. There's your furnace. You click, and you can cook stuff. But the fuel is for like coal or charcoal. You can make that out of wood. And you can put like food or iron ore in the ingredients, so then you can like have better armor and regen your health better. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I should have a new one up later, so goodbye.